Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta, stock reference number 3916. The shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear door, 1 small dent. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch standard steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right front guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver side door trim. Power window master switch. Suit front electric doors only. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual center console. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Standard heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.